We got a bad wind kicking up, and a bad storm's coming in the squirrel hood. It's gonna be a little bit nasty up there for them. I always wonder how the heck they survive all this stuff. See, they're out on the edge, and the limbs will start swaying. It doesn't sway so much because she's a big one, but way out there, so you don't get no shaking in here. I stood right under that tree during the hurricane, never even felt a thing. Several hurricanes, but rain was coming down, so I just thought I'd come out and show you. The poor squirrel's got to go through. And it's not really kicking up yet. I'm going to pause a bit and see if it kicks up worse. Coming from the east side. It's gotten really heavy. Poor little guys.